Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maryam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. In Pakistan, 51 more die, 4,525 test positive. President Defense Minister contract coronavirus. The national tally of active COVID-19 cases recorded on Monday was 46,663 with President of Pakistan Dr. Arif Alvi and Defense Minister Pervez Khattak becoming the new victims of the pandemic. As many as 4,525 people tested positive while 2,268 people recovered during the 24 hours. Pakistan, Saudi Arabia to expand ties. Prime Minister Imran Khan Monday received a phone call from the Saudi Crown Prince, Deputy Prime Minister and Defense Minister Mohammed bin Salman and discussed the bilateral ties. Myanmar death toll tops 500 as protesters stage garbage strike. Rubbish piled up on the streets of Myanmar's main city on Tuesday after activists launched a garbage strike to oppose military rule as the tool of pro-democracy. Protesters killed by the security forces since a Feb first score rose to more than 500. Turkey tightens coronavirus measures, brings back weekend lockdowns. Turkey president said a full weekend lockdown was to be in place during the holy Islamic month of Ramadan and restaurants would only serve food for delivery and takeouts. A curfew from 9 p.m. until 5 a.m. across the country will continue.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.